Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming JDK and IntelliJ are installed. Set Java home and add JDK in IntelliJ's SDKs. Then, create a new project and pick Java with your SDK. Name it clearly. This organizes code and build files. Choose Maven or Gradle to manage dependencies and build lifecycle. Once done, IntelliJ generates the project structure and POM. Gradle files. Make sure to enable auto-import for build files so changes update immediately and you don't waste time on manual syncing. You now write code inside the src/main/java or src folders, create packages and classes, and use shortcuts to scaffold constructors and methods. Once you have a main class, configure a run configuration. Pick the main class, add VM options or program arguments if needed, and save. Then build the project, or build artifacts, so compilation errors surface. Run with the green arrow or debug to step through. Make sure to watch the console and fix red underlines before continuing to prevent runtime surprises. You finish by adding unit tests, JUnit or similar, then run them and inspect failures in the test runner. Once green, prepare your artifact. Commit changes with IntelliJ's VCS tools, push to remote, and use branch workflows for features. Resolve merge conflicts with the built-in diff tool. Finally, package or containerize the app and configure a CI pipeline if needed. If something breaks, check the event log and rebuild caches. Invalidate caches /restart often resolves indexing or sync errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.